In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, expand it, and look for the hotspot. And for me, it's on the first page right over here. Now before I begin with this, I will clarify, and this is only accessible for the people that have the option of this device with a SIM card. So you can insert a SIM card and have LTE connectivity. If you only have like an SD version of it, where you don't have LTE, you won't have the actual mobile hotspot option. So anyway, from here, you want to hold your mobile hotspot toggle the first time around and get blocked by the flight mode. So I'm going to turn that off. Try that again. There we go, flight mode. And once you hold it, it takes you to the settings. Now in here, what you want to start off is just the hotspot password. So let's select configure, tap on our password, and we could use this one if you want to, but what I recommend doing is removing this one and using your own. Now the new password does need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it like so. And going back into the settings, we also have below here band. So we have several different options to go through. So we have 2.4, 5, both, and then 6 gigahertz. Now for everybody that isn't really aware of what this is, if you are, you can skip like a minute ahead. I'll quickly go into explaining it. So we have 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which is basically the bare bones, like the default one that virtually every smartphone or smart device supports. A smart device that has actual Wi-Fi connectivity will utilize this without any problem. Now the drawback of this is it is outdated, it's old, and well, slow compared to other ones. Now that's why we also have 5 gigahertz, right? This is the newer one, though at this point we also already have a 6 gigahertz. And you can use for 2.4 or 5, you can use both. That way the device that we'll be connecting with will connect to the better one, assuming it can support the better one. If it can't, it's going to use the worst one. And for the 6 gigahertz, obviously, if you probably watching this right now at the time of recording, which is like beginning of 2022, then you most likely know that your device supports 6 gigahertz. You probably deliberately went for it. Obviously, if you're watching this like several years in the future, this might actually not be the case. You most likely just have a device that you don't even know because it became a standard. But yeah, right now we're moving into 6 gigahertz territory. So anything that you buy about right now in this year forward should support 6 gigahertz, assuming it is like mid-range to high-range, like shelf or price point of that whatever you're buying. So as an example, computer parts right now do come with Wi-Fi 6E, and hopefully everyone further does as well. So going back to this, just select which one you want. If you're not sure which one the device supports, you can go with the highest one. If you just don't see your hotspot, drop it back down to 5, for instance. If you still can't see it, drop it back to 2.4, and well, then you most certainly see it. If you don't, that means that something is broken. And I'm gonna stick with whatever 6 gigahertz is okay. That also gives me virtually the same message anyway. So from here, let's select save, close this, and whenever you want to use your hotspot now, you can simply tap on it, select OK, and as you can see, it is now enabled. So you can see this icon right over here to signify that it's enabled, and you can now connect to your hotspot at any point. Now once you're done using it, I do recommend remembering to turn it off, otherwise it will be using a little bit more of your battery on your device, and there's really no reason for that if you're not using it. So to turn it off, tap on it again. And that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.